Okay, so when you have your two supports and your two top sides put together, before you put your slats across the top, put your hinge on, and then you're going to want to, with your box assembled, which I'll show you how to do that in a minute, you're going to want to put the hinge onto the box. And that's where you just put the hinge on the sides where it says, and you put the hinge on right here like this, and you put the screws in these holes right here. Like this. And when you screw those tight all the way down, they'll hold the box on. Or the top on, I mean. Then the top will be like this when you close it. Then we'll put the slats on.